Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Hotmail email alias setup issues in 2026. So if you're trying to create or use an alias but it's not working, not syncing, or not sending emails properly, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, sign into your Microsoft account and open your info or alias settings section. Make sure your alias is properly created and listed there. Next, check your primary alias. So if the wrong alias is set as primary, your emails may not send or receive correctly. Now make sure your new alias is verified. I mean, unverified aliases cannot send or receive emails properly. If you're using the Outlook app, make sure it is synced properly. Sometimes the app doesn't refresh alias changes immediately. So yeah, if the alias still doesn't work, remove it and create it again. This often fixes setup errors or configuration bugs. Finally, try using another browser or device. Sometimes cache or session issues can stop alias changes from updating properly. And that's how to fix Hotmail email alias setup issues in 2026. Once your alias is verified, set as primary, and properly synced, everything should work smoothly. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook tutorials. Hey